Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your email settings with Outlook. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your email settings in Outlook, first, open the Outlook application on your computer. Next, locate the File tab in the top left corner of the window. Click on the File tab to reveal the menu options. From the menu, select Account Settings. In the drop-down, choose Account Settings again. This will open a new window displaying your email accounts. Select the account you wish to reset. Once highlighted, click on the Remove button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to remove the account. Click Yes to confirm. After the account is removed, close the Account Settings window. Now, return to the File tab and select Add Account. In the Setup window, enter your email address and click Connect. If prompted, enter your password for the email account. Click Connect again to finalize the setup. Outlook will now automatically configure your email settings. Once the setup process completes, click Done. You have successfully reset your email settings in Outlook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.